Hi, this is me from Me's Paper Crafting, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going through these two items. I am continuing with my clean out of everything I own, and I'm really sick and tired of having so much crap that I don't use. So we're going to go through these two items. I don't even really know what's in here. I have some of this chipboard. I should take this chipboard and just tape it in with my ephemera is what I should do for some of these things. But I am not going to be picky about it. If I look at it and say, I don't want it, it's going. Here we go. I don't want it. I need to get a bag though. And I'm doing a bag because some of this is just garbage. This is just Dollar Tree stuff. I'm literally not going to be precious about it. All right. Now we have all these wooden hearts. The wooden hearts I will keep. So those will go in here. And then a bunch of wooden pieces that we are literally going to go through because if I'm not going to use them, I'm not keeping them. I'm not going to be keeping any of maybe the world map. That I could keep. Maybe that, but the sailboat and the Eiffel Tower, yeah, not going to happen. I'm just trying at this point to think of things. I don't even know what that is. I know it's a flower, you guys. I'm not I know it's a flower. I don't know where it came from. Okay, these little corners. Okay. That says happy lemon. Passport lemon lime. I don't know. These ones are going. Ice cream will work. Faith. Yeah, no. The button. I have these little stars. It says happy birthday. A postcard. You are fabulous. Yeah, I'm never going to use that. Another little heart. I should really put that with the other hearts. Let me pull that out. Birthday. Another heart. Oh, this might be off of the piece that looked broken. I have more little buttons. Little balloon dog. Since I have available ones, I kind of want to keep these stars separate. I bought these stars forever ago at Michael's, and I got them, not me, my boyfriend bought them because he made my dad an American flag out of wood for outside, and he didn't want to have to make stars, and he found those at Michael's. And then I'm just going to put the hearts also in there. Okay. And what is all this? This is chipboard. Okay, guys. I've never been to Disney. I have no interest in going to Disney. I don't feel like I'll ever use these, but things like this I will use. Say cheese, that's kind of stuff that can be used. Luggage, my happy place. So I'm going to keep these all in here in case they ever need to get used. This one's empty. This is, I think, is this all the only fall stuff I have left? I believe so, out of chipboard. Okay, so this is all fall. And this is, I need to start using this stuff. I kind of forget it exists, which is why I feel like I should put it in. Ow. That hurt. This one's also empty. I feel like I should put it in with my ephemera, but then again, it's a lot. This is all Christmas. I'm not even going to open it. I'm not going to get rid of any of it. I'll open it. It's stuffed to the brim. I use this a lot when I'm doing my December daily. So I have gone through so much of it already, and I still have so much. but I like it for my December daily. And here's more cut aparts and ephemera that's all Christmas. And I think I'm gonna normally I do have the holiday and seasonal that I could put these in, and you know what? I think I might. Okay, let's quickly go through it and see what we have. I might put it in there. I might not. I feel like when I'm doing Christmas, this is specifically Christmas, and I know where it is, and I've used it every year. So it's not like I ignore it. And here is winter. So I think it's all this is wintry stuff. Yeah. So we have that. Now, you might be saying to yourself, what are you going to get? There is stuff I'm going to get rid of. This is all summer, and these are all, look, sticky backed. I don't know what exactly went through my mind when I popped all these out, but some of them are sticky backed, some of them are not. So we're just gonna, that's not, let's separate the sticky from the non-sticky. Well, at least that won't be a problem. And then if I have to, I will just stick these. Oh no. Oh no. Well, that is now basically, I can't even thank you guys. That's basically now I would use chipboard to pop it up. That's what it is now. Yep, I'm just gonna separate these. This is bad. I don't even know when this happened. I don't know why it happened. I don't know. Okay, these are all non-sticky. Not sticky at all. The sticky ones are going to get stuck to the container is what I'm going to do. We're going to stick to the container, make sure they're not ruined, and go from there. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what happened here. Don't know. That is life. These are all really stuck together. You know what? I don't even use them. So why am I going through the pain and suffering of this? Let's get rid of all of these because I don't care enough to keep them. I really don't. I will keep the ones that are not sticky. And that one, because that's stuck. So is that one. So those will stay stuck on there until one day when I can get them off, but I'm not going to bother with it now. My glasses are falling off my face. Okay. And then these will go back in here. There we go. Personally for me, I don't like the sticky chip. It never sticks anyway. It doesn't stick. I always end up using more, that's what I just threw in there. I always end up using more adhesive anyway. Oh, I could use these. All right, I'm going to keep this out. I have a bunch of camping pictures that I want to scrapbook. So these are also sticky, but they're not sticking to each other. I don't think these are Echo Park. I think this is some other brand. They're not that sticky. So I'm going to keep these out because I do have a lot of camping photos I want to scrapbook. So I'm actually just going to keep that out. And then here's what little Halloween I have. So that'll stay because I don't have much Halloween in there. Okay. And an empty one. So we didn't get rid of much. And then this, are these sticky? No, let's just pop these out and put these in one of the containers and be done with it. I'm going to pop these out and find an empty container. Hold on. Okay, I'm just going to put it in this one here and be done with it. And then I'm going to go through this other one here and probably fill up some more of these containers with this stuff because I feel like this container can be used in other places with other things, not other places. These are all just clothespins. I have this wood piece. I think it's this one right here. Just throw those in there. And then these are going to go in an empty one. Okay. Those, I see one in here. That's good enough. And then these are all charms. I'm going to keep that in there. These are more charms with some bulldog clips. Another little clothespin. I have these little mushrooms that I have to drill into to actually use. So they're going bye-bye. And then all of these bulb clips and then these corners. Now the corners, let's go through because I can tell you right now, I hate these ones. These are the biggest pieces of crap. Even though they're just decorative, they're horrible. So we're going to get rid of those. And then the rest are either Tim Holtz or Tim Holtz wannabe ones. They're just generic Tim Holtz. Like these ones are Tim Holtz. These ones are not. This is also Tim Holtz. This style. The other ones are from Temu. Same as these little tiny ones. I'm not worrying about the pins that are in there. It will all just fall in there anyway. So now I have this that's open here. And what I should do, I should put these in one of these containers. Get rid of this and clean up this drawer a little bit. So we'll put that. So anything chipboard or wood is basically going to go in this container here. And then, let's see. Oh, I have these can go over here. And these are feet for a box. See the little feet. Little feet. Those are going to go over there. And what I want to be able to do is just open this container and have stuff in here that I want to use up when I'm making certain things. So here's more of those charms, tassels, another little charm. Is what I'm basically digging for in here. I think I want to put these heart buttons in. No, I'm not going to. I thought I just saw something. We're not going to do that. I think that is everything that I want to put in there. I wanted it to be charms. Actually, I'm going to put those in here because they've spilled everywhere in my drawer. Everywhere, you guys. So now this way, when I need charms, I know I can pull this out and all of my charms are in here. But they spilled everywhere. Everywhere. Look at that. I only needed a few of those for a project a while back. But you can't just buy 10 or however many you need. You have to buy a huge pack. And I must have never closed it out. But that's on me. Okay. And then this. I also have these keychains. And I think I should put these in a container just to get them out of my drawer. Or should I put them in? I put them in here? Because is that technically a charm still? Are we using it as a charm? Yeah, let's use it as a charm, shall we? So, I'm going to open up the bag and just put them in there. These are going to stay in this bag. I'm not going to let them free. I missed one. Okay. And then I'm going to open up these, and all of these are just going to go in here. I don't need to keep them separate. I know how I am. I would dig through this little thing anyway, so why not just dump these and get rid of all these little bags? Okay. These will go back into this bag and get closed. And close them. Close the bag. Okay. And I'm going to put them in there. And then these are little like label holders. And they're also just going to go in there. Now, this bag's going to drive me crazy. Let's just dump it out. That bag's going to drive me nuts. As is this one. I should get rid. You know what? I'm going to give those to the boyfriend. You never know when he might need little screws, but I don't need them. These stuff gets glued on. There we go. So are those. And these will definitely stay, but I'm kind of going to scoot them over. There we go. All right. That is that. Now I feel a little bit more organized. I also just found another random star sitting over here, so put that away. I don't know how long it's been sitting there, but it's been sitting there. All right. So that is done. I didn't get rid of much, but I feel good about what I did. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.